And we've come to our last suspension bridge, and this one is the most challenging, or sporting, we'll say. If you can look across there, and maybe I can zoom in. It's not as straight as it should be. It wiggles back and forth.
Danielle, take a look.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll look at the bedding plane. You can see there's places where it's kind of rusted through, and this is going to be replaced shortly with a new highway bridge that I guess the district government is going to be building later this year. In the rainy season, this is the only access for the communities upriver from here. Go ahead, Biddy. Or let's see, you want to come behind me? That way I can get a few shots of you. Okay, so we're going to go across this. I'm bouncing as we walk. And let me pan down here a little bit and zoom in. You can see there are some of the depressions in the middle. It's rusted clear through. Okay, is there somebody behind? Oh, and the handrail. Okay, looking behind me, we've got bamboo where the others have disappeared. Yeah, and there's a small stick that's been put in place on the very end here. So I don't know what's holding this together, but it is sporting, and it's what we've got. So we make the best of things, and away we go.
Danielle, make sure you take a look at this bamboo.
Okay, a unique handrail coming up. I don't know what happened to the existing, or the former handrail, but it disappeared probably in the last typhoon, which was a few years back, and it's been replaced by some giant bamboo. That is, oh, I'm bouncing on the bottom here, but you can see it's held together with wire. It's just, and they've got one of the old supports. Okay, oh, I'm thinking light thoughts here as I go by. I hope it's being picked up by this sound. Okay, I don't want to step there because it looks like it wants to step all the way through. Okay, now there's a black pipe going across that I think is this water pipe or electric pipe?
I say water.
Okay, so the water supply goes across here as well. If this bridge goes out, the only access is crossing the river, and I'll pan around here and you can take a look. The water is pretty deep. In dry season, there's a place to drive across that's probably 2 feet deep at the lowest water level. And the jeepneys go across. They are four-wheel drive, and they were the only way to get materials into the communities upriver from here. Since we're coming out, we've got high hopes for Red Horse. Okay, oh yes, there's some horses. The people... Okay, let's zoom in here. Okay, so there are horses, and the people bring the horses down, load them up with provisions, take them back to the villages.
There's some boys fishing down there.
Ah, yes. Oh, okay, I'm moving a little bit too quickly. There's some... Let's see if we can get the fishermen down there. There. Understand they can get some very large tilapia?
Tilapia.
Sometimes a foot across. Okay, that's maximum zoom. Okay, see, they're way in the distance there. Hello.
Maybe you want to.
Let's see. We'll let you. You want to pass? Okay, go ahead. Okay. You can see this is the only route to civilization. And okay, there's another bend in the handrail here. Who knows what causes these? I guess we don't want to know. And I'm stepping over an open hole here. I can see through quite a few places. Okay, more bamboo right here. Oh, okay, I tripped on that one. The bamboo rungs that we see below us are actually covering holes, and we're forced to step over them rather than fall through. Yes. Okay. Let's see if we can go down and take a look at the rail. There goes Jerry. Okay, yeah, you can see that flapping as he walks. But it looks pretty sturdy. My guess is it would provide a few more years of service. But once the bridge goes in, they'll be able to drive all the way up to those higher villages, and this will be a thing of the past. Oh, I don't like this. Okay. There, we're almost there. A few more holes in the roadway here, the bedding. That one I could step right through. My weight would drop me through the bottom. Okay, we made it. Everybody made it. Okay. Here comes Betty. You can see it looks even worse from this side.
I am stepping pretty gingerly.
Very gingerly, yes, but it's good news. And supposedly we've got some Red Horse beer up here waiting for us, and quite welcome after 4 or 5 days on the road. So let's see what we can find cold up here. You think it'll be cold?
Red Horse.